Leave life in colour at June Homes, 10027 New York. A student accommodation that is home to comfort, ease, campus proximity, and now you too. Choose from stunning non-ensuites and get a comfy bed to sleep snug like a bug. Ample closet space for your style, the perfect workspace, and a big screen TV for weekend movie runs. From kitchen essentials for convenience and laundry facilities for easy laundry days, to high-speed Wi-Fi for uninterrupted studying and secure parking for your wheels, every necessity is available here. This ideal location places you close to esteemed schools like Columbia University and City College of New York, so all it takes is a quick stroll to reach campus. On your days off, explore the Big Apple by hopping on a bus at Broadway or the subway from 125th Street to make your travel smooth and speedy. Your unmatched university experience begins at June Homes, 10027 in New York. So book your room via amberstudent.com now and don't miss out.